So what's the catch? So see there? Andrew showed the man some reasoning with his hands and see the stern look on the man's face. The man, no, and the man looking at Andrew's soul, because that is power. Them boy, them know how for weak you. Looking at your soul, bro. Them man not play. You see me? You can see, say, he must search Andrew's soul. You know, Andrew eye kind of shut, you know. Andrew open him eye and look on the man, you know. You can see it. Andrew eyes are staring down here because Andrew eyes are locked in down here. Then Andrew look on the man. Andrew show and a display inferiority while this man is displaying superiority. No fear of looking within your eyes. So Andrew is not a great leader. Mark Golden is a man who will stare in his face, but Mark Golden will smile and be polite. You get me? And that is great. That is how Christ-like behave. You know what I mean? But Andrew, him full of guilt, him full of all of the 7 deadly sins. So him not have no strength within.
We can't come up on today. We can't come up from today. We need to do it. Can't tell nobody say. I said we need to do it. How 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 we need to do it. We need to do it.
I woke up this morning, was born now in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
This is my page, and the first post here you see in
Little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Game little bird can't team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, super fragically, lesbially, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, they be claring that them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. I they left a bad push with a cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad.
yeah, people, yo. Boy, may I tell you, yo, I learn for start support Andrew Holness and him corruption, you know. Yes, people, this is a new one where evil posts from the tropics. You see me? Look like some American official, administrator, government official. beside Andrew shaking hands, sealing up their paperwork and their plan that they have at hand. Seal, you see the sign and the connection. Connect the dots, the alignment, the sign of the universe. Now, this is some great evil news. And boy, may I tell you, only if Jamaicans would have enough sense to realize that this man here is a sellout and a sell we out. You see me? So, Tropics post that one here, you see me? And you know the famous sound there. You see the name of the song that is being playing in the background? Says Core 2, Frank Saint, Slowed. You know, that tune is very popular amongst these deep, thoughtful posts that is all over the internet. Now listen.
Now, Jamaica could accept thousands of non-citizens deportee on the proposed deal with the U.S.
Yeah. I think it have some power when you talk with them sound, you know, but the sound probably too loud. So let's use no sound. So the title read, I read it again, I would just read. Then, no, it says that Jamaica could accept Jamaica could accept thousands of non-citizen deportees under proposed deal with the US. Cause Andrew make a deal with the US for turn Jamaica in one big prison ground. Remember when they talk about the money where they might take for build prison, right? Because see it there, America deport whole heap and them need extra continent, extra places, extra support for put away a lot of criminal. Like how they make the new prison where for the El Salvadorian people them, the wickedest of criminal them and gangs and cartel, right? Them have this reform prison center where me I tell you them have to bend and coach themselves. Them hardly get time for stand up straight. So it's very mind boggling and you know. So at that we see them I use Jamaica for become this rehabilitating place or a place of criminal who no long them non-citizen criminal there we are gonna get deported from USA. How long them are stay out here? Because Jamaica may just become this permanent place so them stay. See, and that's why I support Andrew cause no done. So telling us vote for Mark Golding. But no DUNCEBAT want to talk about say them I see them thing. When anytime the labor right them say Andrew shake up, hear them. Them and PMP are the same thing, them a better lie. We always grow for hear and for know and for see. So PMP is not as bad as the labor right. We know that for 4 parents them sure with that. See? Because when the labor right them in power from years ago, them shut down the country and make things all the gas riot and enough history with how the politics run in a them time. Some unheard of things when now go on when PMP are run things. Yeah, we understand say things hard, yes, even under the PMP thing because politicians scrape, but we know so there's always one better than one. And this is why I'm telling about the importance of intelligence for break things down. You can't just say the two of them are the same. Uno is done. If you don't vote, I feel like say when you don't vote, you make a better stance or it's a better solution for help the nation. No, that is dunceness too. It's better we no vote for the better worse. Stick to the evil where we know and we grow for know. Say a PMP are the better evil. Right? We're not so as bad as the worst evil jail people. That them for name the jail people. Bumbleclaw universe attack. You see me? Yeah, man. So we're gonna look at there's 3 slides here. We're gonna look at them. See? And the tropics, it captioned the post also saying that should Jamaica enter this new agreement with the United States? That is the question the tropics are asked, right? It says that Jamaica and the United States are expected to begin discussion on a proposed agreement that could see the island accept non-Jamaican deportees, right? Were removed from the US. The criminal them US a deport them, and them like I said, the people them can't find a place for send them for deport them, because you have enough people where hide them place of birth, you know. Them now and Trump know say them come from Yasso or Deso. So Trump wants some place outside of America where him can just send some people and know say we are gonna keep them under manners. Our government them out here and high officials in. So it continue to read say watch out. So we're gonna read the paragraph here, right? All right, so it said Jamaica and the United States are expected to begin discussion on a proposed agreement that could see the island accept non-Jamaican deportees removed from the US, okay? And although them must say expect to begin, them must say no that them expect to begin discussion on a proposed agreement. But guess what? Them don't have a discussion in a long time and seal up things. From you see Anna Shake, Universe Attack, we expose that. Say them don't agree and take couple millions feet. Because you see people are talking at the comment, you know, and them more, you know, knowledgeable about them political issue than even myself. See? Now, according to a draft memorandum, right? That's over there. Make we bring that up a little bit there. See? Alright, so see, according to a draft memorandum of understanding obtained by the Gleaner, the United States would be able to propose transferring up to 25 foreign nationals to Jamaica every 2 weeks, with each case subject to review and approved by the government, by the Jamaican government. So them say with each case subject to review and approval by the Jamaican government. So our Jamaican government are going to decide and are going to approve the 25 criminal when not banned from Boya, with Donald Trump just want to kick them out of America. Him not have no place for send them, him not know them history, but him just know say them not come from America. To me, that a go on. Because him can't really just ship out Americans. Remember, say Americans have certain constitutional rights and them have enough lawyers for fight. So Donald Trump can't kick out no American who are born there in another country. So most immigrants were find themselves there like stowaway. You have people who stow away upon ship. You see me? Like some ship where got Dhaka Africa, Dhaka India, Dhaka all over the world, and then people escape, sneak them way upon it, and the ship carry them in America and them find them way off. So them can lie about where them come from. Them never take no train up airplane for find them where there. So, you know, it's easy for them lie about them, you know. So them people with Donald Trump and for them government in America is questionable. Them people with them find questionable about their whereabouts. Yes, so them are send them, right? Jamaica. Zin? And they may send the Cuban them, the criminal Cuban them here too. Zin? So them say the Jamaican government go thing there. Jamaican government are going to decide on the 25 criminal every week if you come out here. So 25 a week time, every week. Imagine that. Then every 2 weeks, that's a fortnight. 25 criminal them must send out here for live. Then, whether in a prison them are going to live or upon the street or them are do time and just, maybe them are do some time like 10 years at Jamaica. Then remember them not born here, you know. So them are give them a 10 year at Jamaica. And when them do them 10 year, we have to let them go to prison for them now walk free, give them work as a Jamaican or whatever. You know what I mean? So that's crazy. I could read the next paragraph now. Then, all right, so it said the proposed agreement would exclude Jamaican unaccompanied minors and were known individual convicted of serious criminal offenses, except for immigration-related violation. U.S. authorities would also be required to provide available medical, criminal, and biographical information before any transfer take place. So therefore, them are show you say Jamaican are get preferred and them are get benefits. So us as Jamaican criminal in the US, them now go dip way. The criminal them were Jamaican in America, them now go get dip. You see me? Them are get for stay over there. But That are the agreement. Say, yo, uno Jamaicans are get benefits. So we now go deport no Jamaican from the United States of America. We're going to only deport other nationality come at Jamaica. So we know, then basically I say we as Jamaican can go America, go do criminal, go be any criminal element we want, and we won't get dip come back at Jamaica unless we are illegal over there. You see if your thief will go over there, then them are dip you back at Jamaica. But once you enter America legally without any problem, without breaking any violation or any rules, once you go over there legally, then as a Jamaican, then them now go dip you. Then if you and somebody go fight or you murder somebody or you probably grape somebody, them are go sentence you to prison over there. You see me? Once you're straight over there. Because see where it say see that? Them say except for immigration related violation, US authorities would also be required to provide this are for the other criminal them where them are deport out here. So the US, them are gonna send medical report about the person. Like if the person where them are dip, we are not Jamaican, where them are send out here. If them have AIDS, any illnesses, them are make our government know about them medical. You see me? History and all them thing there. Cause them have to interview them criminal before them send them out here. You see me? But see it say the proposed arrangement would exclude Jamaicans. So Jamaicans were criminal, we not get dip. Then unaccompanied minors. So if you're a minor, you not get dip. If you're a young Jamaican. Because enough young people will go America from them a 5 and now a big 50-year-old them dip them, you know, them start dip them. Trump now play. You see me? So, and a joke thing. Alright, so we're supposed to done with that. Criminal offenses. Once you're Jamaican and you do no criminal offenses, you're not getting a dip. Unless, as I say, you go over there illegally and them find out them are dip you back at Jamaica. Then, now, we have to go to the next paragraph. See there? The document states that if 10 or more transferred individuals remain here in Jamaica for more than 30 days, the US would pause additional transfer until that number falls below 10. Deportees not accepted by Jamaica would be returned to the United States. Okay, so if America got dip, some of them criminal there that is not Jamaican. I remember, I know them say our government and them are going to pick, choose and refuse who them are accept. So if them dip 25 for that 2 weeks, and Andrew say, yo, me no want them 5 years, then them say once them take longer than 30 days for remove the 5 where Andrew no want for send them back to the States. You know, that them are talk about, you know, saying the document states that if 10 or more transferred individuals remain in Jamaica for more than 30 days, the US would pause additional transfer until that number falls below 10. So these are the criminal where Andrew would say, yo, we don't want them criminal, take them back. You see me? Once we have more than 10 of them not go send no more for the next 2 weeks. Them not send no more until them sort out them 10 there. The number of lower than 10. You see me? So if we have 10 rejected criminal by Andrew, then them not go send no more until them come get them. Andrew no want them 10 there. See? Because remember, you know, we have enough serial rapists. You know, the American murderers, them and criminal, them, for them rap sheet or some different thing. And yesterday, I see one news with a man where him get charged and arrested about 70 at time. And you know what the last thing them catch him do? Them just catch him just go around with a gas pan, a throw gas pan people and a light them a fire. Regular innocent citizen. And one of them last victim was a girl. So that some of them criminally are some serious mad people where you not catch a Jamaica in our prison yard them. You not catch them element and them heights a criminal or depths a criminal because them mentality low level thinking, you know. So we can't even say heights a criminal. It have to be low. Because once you go crime and criminal, you're low level minded. Unless you defend yourself, then you're on a higher You know, meditational thing. If you end up analyze somebody or defend yourself, then you will have a higher meditation. So we have all a meditation. Oh, in a vibration. We have to follow Rastafari and live upright. Tell me what you are gonna do. Labor right you are gonna do. Tell me what you are gonna do now. The labor right them are gonna do. As a youth, now all them roots. Andrew, him want water down and dilute. Him want hide the truth from the youth. Him want steal the fruit and the root. Cause the youths now all them roots. Yeah, we need for all that meditation and chant Rastafari. You see me the most high. So watch you now. Next paragraph I go to. Zin, the US, the United States, under its Immigration and Nationality Act, has used bilateral agreement, financial assistance packages, and geopolitical pressure to secure similar arrangement with more than 30 countries across Latin America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Okay, so they're saying this is not the first. Them have rules and laws within their constitution that support this movement, you know what I mean, that is under its Immigration and Nationality Act, right? And them call it a bilateral agreement, you know, for work with other country. And that is where the bi comes in, because we're talking about two. When you say bi, like bisexual, a two sex, your sex, bilingual, a two language, bicycle, a two wheel, you have unicycle, one wheel, you have tricycle, three wheel. So when you hear bilateral, it's two country in agreement for work under this jurisdiction and legislation. Now, with CARICOM, you know, so that are the Caribbean things in where PJ Patterson is a part of. You know, with CARICOM, them sign the agreement or active operational framework already exists in Belize. So may I tell you, them thing I done reason out already. From CARICOM sign off these things, Andrew long time know about it. We should have been know say CARICOM sign off them thing a long time. So this is not like Andrew I go listen to what they must say and can have any choice, because the CARICOM organization, the whole Caribbean, signed to this agreement. And let me say it's an active operational framework already exists in Belize, Antigua and Barbuda, Dominica, St. Kitts and Nevis and St. Lucia. So them are about criminal, or if them not start about the criminal them yet, them already sign and agreed to accept criminal. Them already agreed to the bilateral agreement of its Immigration and Nationality Act for the US. Them agreed to them terms. You see me? So the proposed agreement has not yet been finalized, them say, and either country would be able to terminate the arrangement with 90 days written notice. You see me, I say? So them can terminate it. Zin, we soon go in at the comment, but we know say Andrew not terminate that. And that has sweet talk. But them must say Jamaica not have to do this, you know. They must say, hey, we don't have to do this. We not force, you know. We can sign off to not doing it, but we know what signing off and choosing not to work in course with these Americans, what the repercussion would bring, right? And at that, Andrew, they tell you in one of them recent reasoning them about why I'm have to send back the Cuban them. Because remember, saying they stand up and defend the Cuban at first. And we know say that was a joke. He might try look strong. And then him end up showing you say Andrew Dunce. Because Andrew should have just send back them from the beginning, from the get-go, from the warning him get from US. But no, him choose to look strong and bold and mighty for just 2 seconds. Because once him God make that move about, no, we not send back no Cuban, we and the Cuban them tight and them, we appreciate them. And then now the next 2 days, you know, you gonna talk about, we have to send back the Cuban Jamaica. And this is serious. Like, come on, the show say you're done. You should have do the right thing from morning. And it's not necessarily the right thing, you know, but it him fine as the right thing in the last, because your last move that. You see me? It wasn't his first move. So we're gonna look at the other few slide them. Zin with Andrew Holness and this guy then. Zin? Or do you put them misguided? What's that? Alright, so see there? Them already a sign off the things, man. See, I see a man, you know, and them a talk about but expected. Jamaica and the United States are expected to have this discussion. They already have it. See that? Paper, seal, and documents are signed. Andrew is an obedient steward or student. You know what I mean? Yeah, he's that pawn that, he may have no fire like Burkina Faso leader there. DRE. What's his name? DRE. That leader guy there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so this is Andrew, and they took a part that we had read from the long paragraph at the top here, saying Jamaica and the United States are expected to begin discussion on a proposed agreement that could allow the island to accept non-Jamaican deportees removed from the US. So them are remove deportees from the US that are non-Jamaican. That means that them is no Jamaican. Them are criminal, and Trump send them out here. So Jamaica is this one big prison yard, island of prison, and then them sink it when them ready. Jamaica, we not see no future for Jamaica. We did all these things that are going on, No future. We see Jamaica becoming a destruction, a place of no sound. Silence is the sound, right? You have no rights to even loud or argue or be a vulgar, express anger. You can't even make any loud sound. It's going to be the extended end of someone being a dictator ruling with an iron fist, Yes, and non-Jamaican deportees removed from the US are expected to come here in Jamaica under the draft agreement of up to 25 individuals could be transferred every 2 weeks, with each case subject to approval by the government. So all of them pedophile, them serial, when I talk about cornflakes, wickedest are criminal them are come here. Because them have with us said Jamaicans are aggressive people, them born LGBT, them wild and wicked. Jamaica rule number 1 per capita when it comes to murder and crime. So them say, well, make us send them evil people at Jamaica. Jamaicans will know to deal with them because them aggressive. Yeah. But when I deal with them, Americans are aggressive. No. So what's the catch? So see there? Andrew showed the man some reasoning with his hands and see the stern look on the man's face. The man, and the man are looking at Andrew's soul, because that is power. Them boy, them know how for weak you. Looking at your soul, bro. Them man not play. You see me? You can see, say, he must search Andrew's soul. Andrew eye kind of shut, Andrew open him eye and look on the man, You can see it. Andrew eyes are staring down here because Andrew eyes are locked in down here. Then Andrew look on the man. Andrew show and a display inferiority, while this man is displaying superiority. No fear of looking within your eyes. So Andrew is not a great leader. Mark Golden is a man who will stare in his face, but Mark Golden will smile and be polite. You get me? And that is great. That is how Christ-like behave. You know what I mean? But Andrew, him full of guilt, him full of all of the 7 deadly sins. So him not have no strength within, because I be a corruption. You see me? He's guilty of. So he's no power. So let us read this here, right? This is also taken from the long paragraph we had been through. Okay, so it says that the proposal would exclude Jamaicans, accompanied minor, and known serious offenders. This would exclude Jamaican criminal, the agreement here. So them now go deport no Jamaican that are serious offenders, and them now go deport no minor. Who them family probably take up car. No, for that I go on from what they not care how young you is. Once your family get caught doing illegal activity, from Trump start the great deportation process, everybody, pitney, young, sickly, elderly, all of them are get dipped. From them no 100% straight. And if you get a green card and go get caught in a wrong, you get dipped. Because see, our same TikTokers them undergo the same treatment too, Like the Ivani was worrying about being deported, because she's not born in the America. So we see people who even got there legally, Trump not play with them neither. You see me? So I'm tell you, if I can see the signs and the wonders and the time and learn to read body language and everything. You see me? See there? Andrew the taller one, The man is shorter, but the man is more powerful. You see it? Yeah. So we are going to end it here after we play the song for now. You see me? Make you hear about the sound.
We need to go away. We can't come up on today. We can't come up on today. We need to go away. Can't tell nobody say. I say we need to go away. 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 Come here, better, and that me say, take away, and that me say, take away, and that me say, can't turn your mouth from today, can't turn your from today, can't turn your from today, Lord, take you take me away, Lord, take you take me away. One did tell you, say, Andrew him a neglect, him no care about way, sell out politics. Hey, I'm hungry at last, I'm hungry at last, I'm not free at last, I'm not free at take away, tell them go away, we no want to be away from today, not even forever should have gone yesterday, and to us and yours, full fun say, you know how fun we say, you know how much we say, you know how much we say, you know how to go away, you know how to relax, you know how to get the part, you know how to get the cross, you know how to get the cross, start to call in tears, oh, stop our beers. See it on these are the people steal, we watch them real, and earth must live, and then we go tell to get tempted. I want to do it, I hear what they say, we should have gone from this today. Yeah, better than them, better than them, better than bad, better than one. I'm out what is done now, me know, let me have me no code, let the system are clear, them are damn know, and you know them are four, them are not alive, them are funny, yeah. Tell them fit away, Lord is helping, and you know from me, you fall in your head, you give all it, you give me say.